अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हैं सफ़ा टीवी न्यूज़। मैं हूं आपका मेज़बान मोहम्मद इब्राहिम। नाज़रीन, आज द स्लेट स्कूल्स एबिट्स हैदराबाद में एक ख़ास प्रोग्राम मुनक़्क़िद किया गया है जो उन तमाम स्टूडेंट्स के लिए था जो एसएससी एग्ज़ाम्स में शानदार परफॉर्मेंस के साथ स्कूल्स का नाम रोशन किए हैं। इस प्रोग्राम के सबसे रोशनी सितारा सुमैया फ़ातिमा रही, जिन्होंने एसएससी में 600 में से 586 मार्क्स हासिल करके स्कूल्स में फर्स्ट रैंक हासिल किया है। सुमैया फ़ातिमा को उनकी कामयाबी पर स्कूल की तरफ से दिली मुबारकबाद पेश की गई है। प्रोग्राम के दौरान स्कूल्स के वाइस चेयरमैन और करस्पॉन्डेंट्स ने खुद हाजिर होकर सुमैया फ़ातिमा और तमाम टॉपर्स को अवार्ड और शालपोशी के जरिए से इज्जत नवाजी है। आज फेयरवेल पार्टीज में भी स्कूल्स में मनाई गई है, जिसमें ख़ास तौर पर सुमैया फ़ातिमा और उनकी पूरी फैमिली को स्कूल की तरफ से इज्जत और प्यार के साथ मुबारकबाद पेश की गई है। यह प्रोग्राम इस बात का सबूत था कि स्लेट द स्कूल सिर्फ तालीम नहीं देता बल्कि अपने स्टूडेंट्स के हर कामयाबी का जश्न भी पुरजोश के साथ मनाते हैं। आइए देखते हैं यहाँ के चंद नज़ारे सफ़ा टीवी न्यूज़ पर।
Sumaya has made us proud. Slate the school is privileged and we are fortunate to have children like these who will come in flying colors. I've been watching her journey since 7 to 8 years, and whenever there is a competition, the first name we strike to our mind was Sumaya's, and she always shined through whenever there was a competition. I still remember Lasa Lamsa, right? The competition wherein we thought that she will be coming in flying colors, and she stand out, and then we are very proud of her. Always. Congratulations, dear.
How's the practicing in the classes?
It's very good. We always, encourage children. We are always we never go for rote learning. We are concept-based teaching methodology we follow here. And Amarnath sir is always, always he works hard and always have this mindset wherein children should outshine. And he always never thinks about only the classroom learning. He feels that children should have a 360 degrees of development. That is the reason we have introduced Sampurnata, and the name also which we have given is Sampurnata, because we believe in overall development of the child. Not only bookish knowledge, but overall development is what matters, and that will really help them throughout their future.
Do you know about that? Can you please think about how she got topper? Do you think about that?
Yes, definitely. She is a hard-working child. Hard work, along with that, the guidance given by teachers and the management, everyone had worked together. Parents also, they also play a very pivotal role. All put together had, resulted in such a good result.
Okay. It's been 25 years, and all through the years, we have been looking at the holistic approach for the children. Children are our priority and they shall always be. And we have been giving them the best of education. We have always been at the frontiers, whether it is Sampurnata, which is a 360 degrees of development here. Not just academics, we keep telling them marks alone are not important. It is the life skills that is going to take them ahead. AI is the present age. And in this age, what is more important is the futuristic skills that we have tried to instill in them. And we wish each and every Slater the very best. We are sure and confident that Slaters are going to lead the way. Congratulations, Sumaya. You're one of them. Thank you. Sumaya is a very bright student, very hardworking, and she has got the potential to be the very best in whichever field she chooses. So wishing her all the very best. Thank you. Thank you so much.